Hello everyone, I just thought I'd do a quick video of me installing an Ultimate Add-ons double USB port to my GS. It did come with an inline fuse, which I snipped off because it's not needed because of the connection I'm using, and I've just connected this to a connector which plugs straight into the Satnav port on the GS, which plugs it straight into the CAN bus system on the bike. I've connected the connector and the USB port together. I've soldered them together using a couple of these little things. They got a bit of soft solder in the middle, and then there's glue on the outside of it, and it acts like an heat shrink. It's a nice, tidy, quick, easy way of soldering two electrical connections together and making them waterproof. I've already done that bit. But this is only temporary for now until I get my new Satnav cradle. Then I should be unplugging this, taking this apart and putting my Satnav onto the same circuit as well, so the USB and the Satnav will be plugged into the same circuit. I've just got to fit this to the bike later and test it to make sure that it's working. I know the USB worked because I wired it direct to the battery yesterday just to check with the fuse still on. I'll show you that when I've done it. Hello again then folks. Well, I'm out at the bike now and I'm just going to have a go at plugging my USB lead into the bike and testing it to see if it's going to work. I've got the connector, but I had a heck of a job trying to get the cap off. I just got to plug this in now and see if it's going to work. As far as I know, it'll only go on one way, so right, that's in. Turn the ignition on, and it's working because I've got a little blue USB light on the USB. That tells me it's working. I'll turn the ignition off now, and after a little bit of time this should turn off. So that's that done. I've just got to get it fitted to the bike now, work out where I'm going to put it. But I'm happy with that. My soldering worked. I've just got to tidy this all up for now. This is only going to be temporary, like I said. This will shut down eventually, but I don't know how long it takes on this one. I'm going to have to make sure that it does, so I know it's all working correctly, but I'm happy with that. The connection's okay, that's the main thing I wanted to do, so I'll just get it fitted to the bike now where I'm going to put it. Right, as you can see, I've now got the Ultimate Add-ons USB installed on the bike. I've just done a temporary fix at the moment. I don't know what you can see in there. I've cable tied all the cables in, because I'm going to say eventually I'm going to be wiring my Satnav into this as well, then I'll tidy that up properly, but that'll do for now. So I'm just going to plug my phone in and check to make sure everything's still working, and then happy days, we're ready to go. So let's see what happens. I'll put my phone on. Right, nothing there. I've put it up here because it's behind the screen, which is going to help protect it from the elements, even though it's supposed to be waterproof anyway, but I'd rather do it this way. Luckily it looks alright. I'll just edit that out. Right, I'm just gonna plug my phone in to the USB lead and turn the ignition on and see if it starts to charge. Which it has. Happy days then, everything's working alright. So I've now got power for my phone and camera. I'll just go work out where I'm going to put the camera at. It's probably going where I've got it at the moment, but that'll do for now.